Hello, you're on the Black Star Liner Airlines, and this is your pilot, Captain Zulu speaking. We are just flying over Gambia now, and we are about to land on the smiling coast of West Africa.
Yo, Jamaican Records, you rebel, good MC in the building. Toasty. 2020, we told them. I got tired for see with face. They didn't believe us. And pre this, listen. Just lambing a man, no make me get round in a man. Bad mind one drum in a man, but pure angel just a ram in a man. Don't doubt me no man, so the woman them scamming a man. Must be something about me no man. Wouldn't know what to do but damn in a man like lamb in a man, no make me get round in a man. Bad mind one drum in a man, but pure angel just a ram in a man. Don't doubt me no man, it's how the woman them scamming a man. Must be something about me no man, guided by the Almighty no man. Under my sensei, let me man this sense in me now. Next time me put on my iron shirt, underneath is mesh merino. Far as I see from the east to the west, so blessed for make it to Medina. But SoundBoy unplug, back up and run in the Uber 7-seater. From the track, did I me like Peter, bust a blank from the 9mm. Warning shot, run them off the block, then I like me, I like them neither. Don't roll with no from the company, so don't mix my name in a fuckery. Don't clumsy, with my name in your mat too comfy, suck out your mumsy. Lamb in a man, no make me get round in a man. Bad man one drum in a man, but Pierre Dan man just a ram in a man. Don't doubt me no man, it's what the woman them scamming a man. Must be something about me no man, wouldn't know what to do but now me no man like lamb in a man, no make me get round in a man. Bad man one drum in a man, but Pierre gun man just a ram in a man. Don't doubt me no man, it's what the woman them scamming a man. Must be something about me no man, guided by the Almighty no man. Don't start it, so we don't do no bargain. Not a laughing, but I don't joke with a man that's starving. When the laugh start barking, and the big thing them start clotting. Just call Mr. Martin, and tell him for Bill 2 coughing. Hey, don't start it, come when I do no bargain. Not a laughing, but I don't joke with a boy that's starving. When the laugh start barking, and the big thing them start clotting. Call Mr. Martin, and tell him for Bill 2 coughing. Call Mr. Martin, tell him for Bill a coughing. Today is that season. SoundBoy SZN, Call Mr. Martin, tell him for Bill a coffin. Today is that season. SoundBoy SZN. I'm in a man, no make me get right in a man. I'm in a man. I'm in a man, no one a bad man, ram in a man. Just come from ram in a man. Rex Toasty, mashing music. It's a London thing. SoundBoy for no. Rex
talk about done.
Yo, Reggae, Zulu, Rebel, one go. Big up I model every time. With a bang, hey, I know when I'm bush weed, I have to stop me, I couldn't weed fire. Lamb's bread, cushion pen, I don't wanna bush weed, We don't wanna bush weed, I have to stop me, I kush weed fire. Take me to a dealer and weed supplier, but I don't wanna kush weed. If you push weed, give me the Cali and the kush weed. Artist weed and all the stush weed. And I'm packing up the shush weed. Me not take and me not trust weed. Ready link me up good speed. Not a stick and not a one seed. Bun the spliff and say blood seed. Give me little cookies and cream. Turn on the chalice, let it bubble and steam. Big people thing, only over 18. Walk up on the sofa, broke up and lean. Martin Luther King, I had a dream, Calipo, everything orange and tangerine. From a picnic, Mary Jane kissed me, invested in ganja business strictly. So I don't wanna a bush weed higher. Have to start a kush weed fire. Lamb's bread, kush and pen kaya. I don't wanna bush weed higher. We no wanna bush weed higher. Have to start a kush weed fire. Take me to your dealer and weed supplier, but I don't wanna bush weed higher. Good weed supplier, supply me with the kaya to lift me higher. Fresh off the stool, so I might need dryer. And put it to the mind, up my nerve rewire. Fire and a fire alone, what we require. Peace, mind, body and soul, worldwide ceasefire. Put it to the other proper thing, but it's a real liar. Got the cookie, but they never cooking on the air fryer. Weed alone, make me travel far with the air tire. More fire, give me more fire. And I kind of boy, not boy can't tire. And I kind of boy, not girl can't style up. Give my brain a proper CAT scan. After I done on the Moroccan and the Afghan. Finger gum, the Arab from my backhand. Not a grand fan, better bring a scandal back. Cause I don't wanna bush weed higher. Have to start a kush weed fire. Lamb's bread, kush and pen higher. Cause I don't wanna bush weed higher. We no wanna bush weed higher. Have to start a kush weed fire. Take me to your dealer and local supplier. But we no wanna bush weed higher.
We're right here, top of SZN Gambia. Big man, tiny, little bottom Talawa. Gambia's finest.
Dig it. Hey. Yo. Yard man flex. So my dogs at DMX. So they got them in a real impress. Yes, much respect. Everybody on the yard man flex. String vest, clocks as crepes. Even though my passport's red, nevertheless to the yard man flex. Yard man flex. 2 patty and a cold bread. Yard man flex. Jack Rastafari, Jana dead. Yard man flex. Pick up everybody on the yard man flex. With the yard abroad, no matter what one. Met this pretty little girl, Jana, her name was Monique. Says she love my style, she says she like me whole heap. Wicked and she bad, she not no little bo peep. When she see me start to grin and show her pretty gold teeth. Dancehall queen, her dad was from Jamaica. And when she was a teen, got sent back home for bad behavior. She's free and she just broke up with the ex. Loving the roughneck ragamuffin style of yard man flex. Ayy, yard man flex. So my dogs at DMX. So they got them in the real impress. Yes, much respect. Everybody on the yard man flex. String vest, clocks as crepes. Even though my passport's red, nevertheless still a yard man flex. Yard man flex. 2 patty and a cold bread. Yard man flex. Jack Rastafari, Jana dead. Yard man flex. Pick up everybody on the yard man flex. With the yard of a bro, no matter what one, it's a yard man flex.
What's going on, Tiny? What's happening today?
Yes, man, give thanks and praise. So the brothers, to see them to come out Africa, come and link with people, them. And we see what we can do for Africa. Babylon, we are going to tell you, look, who's going to want this? Babylon, Lord. So you better come to Gambia and build up a lifestyle here. And bring more people to come. Any better want this, come back home.
With the dragon and a man them with the red stripe. Man them off the island and a man them who never take flight. Man them in England who don't know what Jamaica look like, but they feel the real vibes taking over worldwide. Born in England, but I look just like my father. So when I saw the squad car try and pull up on the corner, saw the piggy talking on his walkie-talkie, told them fire for police. Fire for police. I'm born on the tea and farmer. Yard man flex. So my dogs at DMX, so they got them in a real impress. Yes, enough respect. Yard man flex, string vest, clocks and crepes. Passport's red, nevertheless still a yard man flex. Yard man flex, 2 patty and a cold bread. Yard man flex, Jack Rastafari, Jana dead. Yard man flex, pick up everybody on the yard man flex. With the yard, for abroad, no matter what go on, it's a yard man flex. Yard man flex, yard man flex. Jack Rastafari, yard man flex. Yard man flex, yard man flex. With the yard of a broad, no matter what, wanna see yard man flex. Yard man flex, 2 patty and a cold bread. Yard man flex, Jack Rastafari, Jana dead. Yard man flex, pick up everybody on the yard man flex. With the yard of a broad, no matter what, wanna see yard man flex. Hey.
We don't cooperate, man. Why you think they ain't fuck with Air Jamaica? It's a lot of fuel on that plane, but they know. They get on Air Jamaica, they be like, oh, shit. Call Osama, this is not the right flight. No, they have threats. This is not going to work. You can't get on Air Jamaica talking about, hello, we're taking the plane. All you hear is, oh, say what, sit down. Talk about hijack your mother. They hit it with the bus, you know me.
Yes, my soldier. How are you? Lion bar. Wait, spread your finger like this.
Lion.
Messiah.
Bro, I have a book match with your shirt.
Oh yeah?
Cool. Yeah, I have to take it if you want.
Man,
Can I have a seat?
Come on. You can bring in books, you know.
Yeah, books.
Power.
I appreciate that, my soul.
Was it?
Thank you, man. Yeah? So, what's your name, though?
My name is T.A.W, but T.A.W is my Muslim name. My real name is Nuno Mendes.
Ancestors, watch it. Lord of mercy, guide and protect me from your evil. Who control the highway?
One Uncle Arms. What's going on, Arms? What's the deal, man?
Yeah, that's cool, man. Okay, bro, what music do you want to play now?
Some reggae music,
I love reggae music.
Come on.
Yeah, man.
Reggae, let's go.
You, what are you going to study when you leave school?
Medicine, I want to be a doctor.
What about you in the blue? What are you going to study?
Sports, I want to be a PE teacher.
Oi, boy, what are you going to study?
My youth, me I got study Reggaenomics.
Reggaenomics. It's the music that we love. Reggaenomics. The exclusive reggae club, Reggaenomics. Feel the thump of the reggae dub. If you don't know Reggaenomics, tell me who will on if you judge Reggaenomics. Is it in the food? Is it in the drink? Reggaenomics. Is it this music make we link? Reggaenomics. At the root of everything, the beginning of all this modern music we're missing. Reggae music we're studying, dubplate money we're hustling. DJ mixing the juggling, selector bring me another in. Surrounding the mic we're hardling. Woman a man I'm a cuddling, a rubber dubbing to the rhythm. So nobody bring no trouble in Reggaenomics. From the days of Reggaenomics. How we make out the economics, Reggaenomics. Boss of wine but still platonic. White rum, high grade and chronic, but don't turn no alcoholic. Reggaenomics. Closing is the dress, Reggaenomics. It's the style and our finesse, Reggaenomics. And all the powers we possess. The message in the melody that kept everybody blessed. Yes. It's the sound and it's the vibe. In England it should be, but backyard we play outside. Sound string up on the lawn till all the 6 o'clock come on. The play I play and all the artists I perform, but it's not very warm. In England, so we pack up back to back in a council flat and just one. Big up all the artists and large up every sound. When it's time for sound clash the dance, turning a burial ground. Reggaenomics, the vibration that we love. Reggaenomics. The version on the dub, Reggaenomics. Because of the vibrating in with blood. Don't study reggae music, tell me who will and if you judge Reggaenomics. Full up a style and full up of topics, Reggaenomics. Sure. Hotter than the tropics, Reggaenomics. Blind man can say it's iconic. Everybody try copy, win a business, wine your body. Win a business. Just wind up your body and twist. With the Guinness and a big split. Don't watch that, we don't watch nobody business. Win a business. Party every night is like a Christmas. Since the 1960s, all night I've been reached the 2020s. Reggaenomics. It's not reggaeton, Reggaenomics. So long into the music marathon, Reggaenomics. Red Pun, Dirty Babylon. Still reggae music there for all, each and every one is Reggaenomics. Full up a style and full up a topics, Reggaenomics. Sure, hotter than the tropics, Reggaenomics. Blind man can say it's iconic. Everybody try copy, but when a business, wine your body. Win a business. Just wind up your body and twist. With the Guinness and a big split. Don't watch that, we don't watch nobody business. Win a business. Party every night is like a Christmas. Since the 1960s, all night I've been reached the 2020s, Reggaenomics.
catch to dynamite. Don't catch to dynamite.
Me sing fire. You better splurt and go height.
You might catch to dynamite. Don't catch to dynamite.
Me sing.
Scratch your teeth, catch a liar. Catch me quick, I'm about to retire. Matching the gas and the world catch a fire. Fire can't quench and they can't pass a fire.
Available. Please call back.
Yo, babes.
Hey, baby.
Just letting you know that I landed. I'm here safe, innit?
Oh, give thanks, man. I was worried.
I know, babes. When I called, I tried calling, but I couldn't get through.
I hear it. I was thinking, what's taking so long?
Yeah, I hear that. I had to pattern up myself, set up the burner phone and that. You know me and technology, but finally sorted it. That's what I'm hollering.
Analog, man, but you're there, the motherland.
You okay though, yeah?
I'm good, man. I'm good.
You missing me?
Of course. You know I'm not going to be able to sleep tonight.
Can't wait to see you.
Love you, babes.
Love you too, babes.
Well, here comes original shining sun. Alongside Reggae Zulu Rebel. This much of woman that I share in my world. Such a blessing. Every inch of you I love and I love. Listen. Tired of the endless calling. We'll be on the phone till morning. The feeling to touch is overbearing. I need to have you close to me now, my darling. The pictures around is reminding. Lingering scent is disturbing. This love it can't be ignored, it's alarming. Trust me, the way this woman express she loves me. She had my back even from far I can see. No second thoughts, I'm on my bending knee. There is no boundary, this love feels free. She says she loves when I come around. She feels safe when I'm on the compound. A belly full of love, call for ultrasound. Tell me how me sound. Lately, I've been away on a European tour. Vision myself still walking through her door. Been in love twice but never this before. Mama say it's pure. Ring again. Sexy sweet voice singing through my phone. Video call or just me to have me home. I feel it in my bones. Tired of the endless calling. We'll be on the phone till morning. The feeling to touch is overbearing. I need to have you close to me now, my darling. The pictures around is reminding. Lingering scent is disturbing. This love it can't be ignored, it's alarming.
She said for call her on the house phone and let me whisper in her ears until she start moan. She said she love my list, my voice and all my baritone, and she want to kiss me up and down. So when am I coming home? Said to call her anytime a long distance. Said no mind her if she quiet and whispering. Just some other might be on the other line listening. I don't mean no disrespect, but mean no business. Big up mama love, big up mama love. She calling it poppy love, calling it poppy love. Yeah, it must be love. Yeah, I swear it must be love. Anytime I'm on the phone line, she quick to pick it up. Big up my baby love, big up baby love. She calling it poppy love, calling it poppy love. Yeah, it must be love. Yeah, I swear it must be love. Anytime I'm on the phone line.
Tired of the endless calling. We'll be on the phone till morning. The feeling to touch is overbearing. I need to have you close to me now, my darling.
Greetings I bring from Jah to Sit in the hill and hold a mid, return to city with the message, but they might go overhead. So I just do the word Jehovah says. Can't looking at the wide world, it's looking like a mess. I sit in looking at the wide world is looking like a mess. Prophecy for spread, the world is all about who when it's fragile was an egg. Rise up from the dead, I see the evil try for rise with eyes and them end. Times of push man over the edge, we're conditioned to the pressure, so just ride it like a sledge. Not frightened for the government, the army, nor the feds. Can you bring the guillotine for these crazy ballheads? Pharisee and scribes, murder every messenger for keep the fallacies alive. Caught on and make the masses see realities a lie. So they gas you with the hype and dash the clarity aside. Now all you can think about is the vanity and pride. Slowly dying with no compassion and charity inside. They speak with no morality and lie. And the deceit that you've been thinking manifest before your eye. Now listen to the prophecies that I prophesied. Don't ignore me cause I'm not a shirt and tie in office guy. Tapping the economy so the poverty will rise. Politicians speak with promises, it's probably all lies. Sit in the hill and hold a mid. Return to the city with the message, but it might go over heads. So I just do the word Jehovah says. Cause I look in at the wide world, it's looking like a mess. Prophecy for spread, the world is all about who when it's fragile was an egg. Rise up from the dead, I see the evil try for rise with eyes and them head. Times of push man over the edge, we're conditioned to the pressure, so just ride it like a sledge. Not frightened for the government, the army, nor the feds. Can you bring the guillotine for these crazy ballheads? Crazy ballheads. Bring the guillotine for all these crazy ballheads. Crazy ballheads. Not fighting for the government, the army, nor the feds. King, we bring the guillotine for all these crazy ballheads. Prophecy for spread, the world is all about who when it's fragile was an egg. Rise up from the dead, I see the evil try for rise with eyes and them head. Times of push man over the edge, we're conditioned to the pressure, so just ride it like a sledge. Not fighting for the government, the army, nor the feds. Can you bring the guillotine for these crazy ballheads? The prophet rise above the stress, and just above the clouds I find a land of righteousness. Where every man and wife is blessed, and return back with the fire for society to digest. I digress, back to the sickness we try to test. I bring a message for the hard-working pissed and depressed. We're all blessed with a gift different from the rest. We should find it, then we'll share it and forget the selfishness. Sit in the hill and hold a meds. Return to city with the message, but it might go over heads. So I just do the word Jehovah says. Cause I look in at the wide world, it's looking like a mess. Sit in the hill and hold a meds. Return to the city with the message, but it might go over heads. So I just do the work the Father says. Tapping the computers and I'm robbing all the files. Bank stole all the gold, so there'll always be a smile. Next they come into the home that you're owning your little child. Send them to the kiddie, fiddling BBC pedophiles. Perversion and the fruitiness. I rag up on this version like the western wilderness, and push my black style into the test. To reach the hungry and the starving every day a million deaths. You've only got a little left before you get a barcode and tax for every single breath. So drink some clean water, dash away the cigarette. Remember when me want you every minute you have left. Sit in the hill and hold a meds. Return to the city with the message, but it might go over heads. So I just do the work the Father says. Cause I looking at the wide world, it's looking like a mess. Prophecy for spread, the world is all about who when it's fragile was an egg. Rise up from the dead, I see the evil try to rise with eyes and them head. Times of push man over the edge, we're conditioned to the pressure. Ride it like a sledge, not fighting for the government, the army, nor the feds. Can you bring the guillotine for every crazy ballhead?
Yeah, you see, we sell cheap drinks and cheap food in Gambia. Yeah.
No wrong. Are you paying for tea? Yeah? Oh yeah, you're paying for yours. What's that for the one? 250 for one. Ah, it's 350 for one. This one is 125. When was this? It was October. Let's take it from there. It was Reggae. It used to be very full, definitely. And one musician here, he's from
That's the artist, yeah?
He's from the UK also.
Come like Gregory Isaac. Want to drink first? Yeah, we drink and then we go. Me? So you could have just helped the two in the first place, because he was giving him 50 change, right?
Yeah.
And my one was
125 or something like that?
Yeah. In a government yard, in a Senegambia.
See that?
Man like that, man.
I'm GTS.
Keep the fire lights. Party at GTS through the night.
We are the champion. We are the champion at the peak of the Champions League. Yo, Rex, we are the champion at the peak of the Champions League. We got my mum, grandma, and granddad who made man from a champion breed. Yo, large up my father who donated the champion seed. See, faith can move mountains, could be the size of a mustard seed. X-Men Avenger of Justice League, all will get crushed like a custard cream. And I was 16, try to keep the content clean. Can't be the king of the castle. Yo, we are the champion. Whoa, we are the champion. We are the champion. Check, check. Bibbidi bang skin, we are the champion. Whoa, we are the champion. We are the champion, everyone stand tall for the anthem. That's why the whole world love we. And the girl and my boss are handsome. That's why we're acting virgin, like the girlfriend of Richard Branson. Cause we are the champion. We are the champion, champion, we are the champion. Everyone stand tall for the anthem. That's why the whole world love we. And the girl and my boss are handsome. That's why we're acting virgin, like the girlfriend of Richard Branson. Cause we are the champion, believe me, we are the champion. Oh whoa, we are the champion, at the peak of the Champions League. Big up my mum, grandma, or granddad who made man from a champion breed. Yo, large up my father who donated the champion seed. See, faith can move mountains, could be the size of a mustard seed. X-Men Avengers of Justice League, all will get crushed like a custard cream. And I pick up the mic and I bus 16, but I try keep my content clean. Can't be the king of the castle if you can't set an example. Climb to the top of the mountain like with your mountain, walk like a champion. Oh whoa, we are the champion, everyone stand tall for the anthem. That's why the whole world love we. And the girl and my boss are handsome. That's why we're acting virgin, like the girlfriend of Richard Branson. Cause we are the champion. We are the champion, champion, we are the champion. Everyone stand tall for the anthem. That's why the whole world love we. And the girl and my boss are handsome. That's why we're acting virgin, like the girlfriend of Richard Branson. Cause we are the champion, believe me, we are the champion. Oh whoa. We are the champion, we are the champion, whoa. We are the champion, we are the champion, whoa.
You're cold, bro. You're cold, still. You, man, support him. Support him, endorse him, you know? This is local talent. Come on. Come on. Yes, brother. Yeah, man. Powerful. What's your name? Aboga. Bobby.
He's my manager.
That's it. Yeah?
He's the one supporting me.
Yeah?
And my bro.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So you, man, are like the unit still.
One blood, Godfather Junior Reed. Son of but mind your brother for the be my key. One blood, as far as I can see. Me no more than you, you no more than me. One blood, Godfather Junior Reed. Righteousness over negativity. One blood, the whole of we are one blood.
Excuse me, let me light my spliff. Long time we fight for equal rights and justice. Now everybody want blood just like Junior Reed. Every baby wanted to milk, food for feed. Every pitney needs school fees and book to read. Every farmer man need good soil and good seed. But when my blood a boil, I just burn some good weed. Bad mind will rot your soul and I'll make your nose bleed. So whether you were Indian or Abyssinian, whether you were Persian or Palestinian, could have been from Finland or England. Don't but they kill each
Godfather Junior Reid. Son of bad mind, your brother fi the be my king. One blood, as far as I can see. Me no more than you, you no more than me. One blood, Godfather Junior Reid. Righteousness over negativity. One blood, the whole of we are one blood.
From a step in of the session, PFR with progression, brought bread, that's 11 each, and all of the brethren work hard. 6 days, rest up on the 7th. I'm on a big split full of cess, and the resin could have sipped Tetley tea, and I drink Cersei, but are you trustworthy or bloodthirsty? Said this one blood, but many blood type. Judge a boy by his deed, not by what he look like. I feel unified before we get crucified. Come like Lucifer, just a run loose, yes I remember Father God lovers. They said the blood covers over humanity, so we must say blood brothers. The lava's hot when the judgment touches, but Jah Rastafari come with us.
We are one blood, Godfather Junior Reid. Son of bad mind, your brother fi the be my king. One blood, as far as I can see. Me no more than you, you no more than me. One blood, Godfather Junior Reid. Righteousness over negativity. One blood, the whole of we are one blood. Whole of we are one blood, Godfather Junior Reid. Son of bad mind, your brother fi the be my king. One blood, as far as I can see. Me no more than you, you no more than me. One blood, Godfather Junior Reid. Righteousness over negativity. One blood, the whole of we are one blood.
First class, 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 boy. Wow. Nama main mau door biar naman.
Soundboy, you got dead tonight. Every last soundboy, I feel get murder. Excuse me, operator. If you need a soundboy terminator, exterminate then annihilator. Hot them all up like the radiator. Hot them up like the world equator. Burn them down, turn them to vapor. Call my number, is my data. Need a waiter, send me a cater. Rip them all up like a piece of paper. Cut is my reputation. Cemetery book a reservation. Everybody dead by my estimation. When I go for them, call the Ghostbuster them. Just for them, got not 1, 2, 3. There's not for them. Dust to dust when I turn into duffy them.
Killer sound, boy, tonight. Them never give up the fight. You know them thing they not right. We are go killer sound, boy, tonight. Them never give up the fight. You know them thing they not right.
Say my name, tree cam in the mirror. A pick, see a soundboy shiver. Duck down from the soundboy killer. Pillage, hunt them all down like a tiller. Jam down to Anguilla. Kill off MC, rapper and singer. Promoter, best for Abman Skrilla. Digger, masquerade, fling them all inner. In a soundboy killing. No child, no women. Golden 99 in a fresh white linen. Resurrected from the dead and spinning. If they can't listen, they have to feel. Sword and shield on the battlefield. No care about your deal, know your mass appeal. When a sound get killed, don't care how you feel.
Killer sound, boy, tonight. Them never give up the fight. You know them thing they not right. We are go killer sound, boy, tonight. Them never give up the fight. You know them thing they not right.
Yo, Jamaican, Reggae, Zulu, Ripple, good MC in the building. Toasty, 2020, we told them. Them I got tired, fishy with fierce. They didn't believe us. And pre this, listen. Just lamb in a man, they make me get round in a man. Bad mind one drum in a man, but pure angel just a ram in a man. Don't doubt me no man, so the woman them scam in a man. Must be something about me no man. Wouldn't know what to do with damn in a man like lamb in a man, they make me get round in a man. Bad mind one drum in a man, but pure angel just a ram in a man. Don't doubt me no man, it's how the woman them scam in a man. Must be something about me no man, guided by the Almighty no man. Under my sensei, let me man this sense in me now. Next time me put on my iron shirt, underneath it's mesh merino. Far as I see from the east to the west, so blessed from Mecca to Medina. But SoundBoy unplug, back up and run in the Uber 7-seater. From the try to 9mm like Peter, bust a blank from the 9mm. Warning shot, run them off the block, then I like me, then like them neither. Don't roll with no from the company, so don't mix my name in a fuckery. Don't clumsy, with my name in your mat too comfy, suck out your mumsy. Lamb in a man, now make me get round in a man. Bad man, one drum in a man, but Pierre Dan man just a ram in a man.